Welcome. Today, we're diving into a popular feature that many of you have been asking about: how to turn on dark mode in the Gmail app. It's a fantastic way to give your eyes a break and enhance battery life on your device. So, let's get started. First, grab your Android phone or tablet and open up the Gmail app. Once you're in, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen. These lines are also known as the menu icon. Tap on it to expand the menu options. Now, scroll down until you see Settings. Go ahead and select it. You'll find a variety of settings you can customize, but for now, let's focus on turning on dark mode. Tap on General Settings to proceed. In this section, you'll see various options. Look for Theme and tap on it to choose your preferred appearance for the app. You'll be presented with a few choices, but what we want is the dark option. Once you select dark, you'll notice the transformation almost instantly. The darker interface is not just easier on the eyes, especially in low-light situations, but it's also stylish, and that's it. You've successfully turned on dark mode in Gmail. Enjoy your newly themed inbox. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy emailing!